All right, so now we're going to look at the triangular prisms, but we're going to be finding the volume. And remember I told you the volume is area of the base times the height of your prism. Now, even though our triangular prisms are most of the time sideways where they're sitting on a rectangular base, the triangle automatically tells me it is a triangular prism, so my triangle is my base. So this right here is actually the base of my triangular prism. So first we're going to find the area of our base, which our base is a triangle. Okay, so the area would be 3 base times height, so 8 times 3 divided by 2. Because remember, the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. The height of my prism is 12. This is the height. If I was to set it on the base of the triangle, the height would be 12. That would be the long ways. All right, so volume equals 8 times 3. I'll break it all down. 8 times 3 is 24. We're going to divide that by 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 times 12 is 144. And if we had this in inches, it would be inches cubed. All right, so the area of your base, which is your triangle, times the height of your prism. 8 times 3 divided by 2 is 12, and 12 times the height of 12 gives you 144. All right, so let's look at one other type of triangular prism. All right, so here I go drawing this again. Okay, so we're going to have 6, 11, 2, and then we'll make this 8. All right, we just said that volume is the area of the base times the height, and our base is a triangle because a triangular prism means triangle base. All right, so let's find the area of our triangle. Okay, so volume equals, where is my triangle? It's on the front. All right, so here's my triangle. So pretend if I was to set it on top, I don't know if I can draw this very well. Here would be your triangle. You have 11 by 6. So here's the height and here's the base. So 6 times 11 divided by 2. Now we can't use those numbers again for the height. So if I was to turn this around, this right here is actually the height of my prism. So I'm going to times it by 2. All right, so let's solve this. 6 times 11 is 66. We're going to divide that by 2 and then times it by the height. 66 divided by 2 is 33. And we're going to multiply that by 2. So it's 66, and we're going to say inches cubed. All right, so volume of this triangular prism is 66 inches cubed. Just remember, the main thing to remember about triangular prisms is that the triangle is your base. It will always be your base. It outrules your rectangles. So there's the volume of the rectangular prisms.